Today our discussion is about how to create a Gmail account in the USA. It's a straightforward process here how you can do it. First step is open the Gmail sign up page. Go to the Gmail website and click on create account. Second step is choose account type and select whether the account is for personal use or for business use. Third step is fill out the registration form, username and last name. Enter your first and last name, username. Choose a unique username. This will be your email address. Username @gmail.com. Password, create a strong password and confirm it. Provide additional information. Fourth step is provide additional information. Phone number optional. Enter your phone number for account security and recovery purposes. And recovery email address optional. Add a alternate email address to recover your account indeed if needed. Date of birth, enter your date of birth. Gender, select your gender or choose rather not say. Verify your phone number. If you provided a phone number, Google must send you a notification code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your phone number. Agree to term and conditions. Review Google terms of services and privacy policy. Then click I agree to continue. Complete the setup. Follow any additional promotes to complete your account setup, such as setting up Google services or adjusting your privacy settings. Once you complete these steps, you shall have a new Gmail account. You can then start sending and receiving emails and take advantage of other Google services linked to your account.